Hello students, welcome to science class. In our previous video, we learned about disaster, its types and various disasters and their effects and disaster management. Now, we will study about remedial and preventive measures we can take before or in the event of a natural or man-made disaster. In this, first is keep watching TV and radio, news and bulletins. As we know, all updates are available on these media. We get information from each corner of the country. Use battery operated radios and mobiles. This will be helpful when there will be no electricity. Always take notice of the warnings issued by meteorological department carefully. Use the website www.imd.gov.in for more information regarding weather. Landslides occur in hilly areas due to cloudburst or heavy rains. On such occasions, do not take shelter at the foot of hill and follow other safety measures like pay attention to the noise coming from hills or the flow which is coming from the hill, it get muddy. During floods, do not linger in houses or areas on river banks. Seek shelter in other safe places. Move to safer places at a greater height. Do not stop into the water currents or drive a vehicle into them. During an earthquake, roads split open. The ground cracks, railway tracks get uprooted. Hence, when moving from one place to another, ensure that the road is safe further on. During earthquake, take shelter under table, columns or beams. Try to come out from houses and also give call to your neighbors and try to remain in open spaces. Take shelter in relief camps as they provide medicines, food packets, drinking water, first aid, etc. To get protection from fire, use fire extinguishers in public places like schools, hospitals, railway stations, etc. In day-to-day life, sometimes we have to face disasters or accidents. It is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. Now we will see what first aid can be given in different situations. First is external bleeding. In this case, first make the person sit or lie down comfortably. Clean the wound with water and try to keep it above the level of the heart. Next is burns and scalds. First is minor burn. In this case, wash injured part with water or if possible, held under water. Give the victim water to drink. Clean the wound using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Don't apply oily ointments such as toothpaste or coconut oil. Cover wounds using dry dressings. In serious burns, give emotional support to the victim. Cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not burst blisters. Do not apply oily ointments. If the cloth stuck to the burnt skin, do not try to remove the cloth. If patient is conscious, only give water to drink. Avoid other stimulating drinks like tea, coffee, etc. and get medical help immediately. Next is sunstroke. When we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. That is the reason for sunstroke. Remedial measures for sunstroke are take the patient to a cool place. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquids like sharbat to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, that is, on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side, and get medical help or shift the patient to the hospital. Next is snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes are found, out of which few are poisonous. For example, cobras, kraits, vipers, sea snakes, etc. Therefore, all snake bites are not fatal. But due to fear and shock, person may get die. Remedial measures for snake bite are: wash the wound with water, give emotional support to the patient, tie a cloth tightly above the wound, get immediate medical help. Next is dog bite. We all know that in a dog bite there is risk of infection through the blood, hence first aid and medical help are necessary. Remedial measures are: wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Get doctor's help and anti-rabies vaccination. So student, this is all about the first aid provided during emergency situations. Always be alert and ready to handle the situation without become panic. What we have learned in this lesson: a sudden calamity is known as disaster. Disasters can be made or man-made or natural. Alertness and immediate action are necessary on such occasions. Effective disaster management and use of remedial measures can help reduce the losses. Every person should know about safety precautions and first aid. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.